Good morning, students. Today we can discuss about sewers and classification of sewers based upon the materials which is used for the construction. So sewer means it is an underground conduit or drain through which sewage is carried to a point of discharge or disposal. So sewer pipes are generally circular pipes laid below the ground level, and usually this will be sloping continuously towards the outfall. Okay, and the sewers will be usually designed to flow under gravity. And the classification of sewers are classified based on the material like brick sewers, stoneware or vitrified clay sewer, asbestos cement sewer, cement concrete or reinforced cement concrete sewer, steel pipe sewer, plastic sewer pipes, glass fiber reinforced plastic sewer pipes. So we can discuss one by one. First is brick sewer. Okay. So here the material which is used for the construction of sewer is brick. Okay, so it will be quite cheaper, and it is locally available and moderately smooth surface. And sewer structure like manholes can be easily excavated using the brick. Okay. Here the construction cost is higher, and they are not rapidly constructed. Construction time will be high comparing to other type of sewers, and it is found suitable for large size sewers carrying combined wastewater system. Usually these brick sewers are adopted for large size sewers. Okay, so this is about brick sewer. Next is vitrified clay sewer, and this is widely used for manufacturing. This is the widely used type of material for manufacturing sewers. That is, vitrified clay sewer is the most common type of sewer, and the surface is very smooth, impervious, and also high durable, and it has high resistance to corrosion and erosion, and they are used for small discharge because of the diameter are small. Usually the diameter of vitrified clay sewer is maximum of 60 centimeter. So it is usually used for small discharges. Okay, and it is difficult to make large size pipes and glaze it. Using this vitrified clay, it is not possible to make large diameter pipes. Okay, so this is vitrified clay sewer. And another reason is that their weight and difficulties in shipping and transport. So using this material we are constructing small pieces of sewers, and it has spigot type arrangement. So this is about vitrified clay sewer. This is the figure showing vitrified clay sewer. Next is cement concrete sewer pipes. It is very popular when size of the sewer is very large. For very large sized sewer, we are adopting cement concrete sewer pipes, and it has high strength with low cost. It may be precast and can be also cast in the site, and it may be plain or reinforced cement concrete depending upon the strength required. If you want more strength, it will be reinforced type, otherwise it will be plain cement concrete. And the cost of construction is reasonable, and it is the surface is smooth, and it will be low weight. So this is cement concrete sewer pipes. Okay. Next is steel pipe sewers, and the main advantages of steel pipe sewer is it will be light, that is lightness, imperviousness, and resistance to bursting pressure. So if these are the major requirement, we are adopting steel pipes. Okay, so steel pipe will give lightness, imperviousness, and resistance to bursting pressure, and it also absorbs shocks and high external pressures by deflecting, buckling, and flattening without failure. So at that situations we can adopt steel pipe sewer, and erosion and corrosion actions can be prevented by bituminous coating to the internal surface. That is, if we coat the internal surface with bitumen, we can prevent erosion and corrosive actions. So this is steel sewer pipe. Next is asbestos cement pipe sewer. This type of sewer is manufactured with the help of cement and asbestos fibers, and the main properties, it is lightweight, smooth, and durable, and it also can sustain moderately good internal pressure. It can sustain moderately good internal pressure, and it can be easily cut, drilled, jointed, and fitted. And these asbestos cement pipe sewer is brittle, and it is unable to bear the external loads. So it is unable to bear the external loads. It is mostly used for rainwater pipes in house drainage system. That is the main application of asbestos cement pipe sewer. It is mostly used for rainwater pipes in house drainage system. So this is asbestos cement pipe. Next is cast iron sewer pipe. When extra strength is required, we are adopting cast iron pipes. Okay, and it will be strong against internal and external pressure. And main advantage is it is smooth, durable, and strong. And it is costly and weight is also high. So this is cast iron sewer pipes. Next is plastic sewer pipe. And this plastic sewer pipe, this is plastic sewer pipe, and it is mainly used in house drainage system. So this type of sewer pipe is usually used for our houses. It is the most commonly used sewer pipes in house drainage system, and available in various sizes, diameter between 25 mm to 100 mm. There is a variation of diameter. So this is plastic sewer pipes. So these are the different types of sewers based upon the material which is used for its construction. Okay. So next is sewerage system, that I will put in the next video. Thank you.